Hello grade 12s and welcome to the first segment of Technical Mathematics June exam paper 2 practice. Please note that I took all of these from past papers. I won't tell you which ones. I modified them. Please take that down. That's the sketch. So for part 1, the opening statement states, in the diagram below, PQR is a triangle with the vertices P, x coordinate negative 13, y coordinate negative 1, Q, x coordinate negative 1, y coordinate negative 6, and R, x coordinate 407 over 13, y coordinate 930 over 13. So here is P, here is Q, and here is R. It then states N is the midpoint of QR. Here's N, line QR. S is the y-intercept of line PR. Here's S, here's straight line PR. Okay. So it should have been my mistake. The numbering 1.1. Then you have 1.1.1. 1.1 states determine. 1.1.1 states the gradient of PQ. So the gradient of PQ is equal to YQ minus YP, okay, over XQ minus XP. What is Y of Q? Negative 6 minus Y of P, negative 1 over, what is X of Q? Negative 1. What is X of P? Negative 13. So this is going to be negative 6 plus 1 over negative 1 plus 13. Negative 6 plus 1, negative 5 over negative 1 plus 13, 12. Okay, hope that was clear and I hope that makes sense. Now, since in paper 2 you have limited space, the important steps for this one are this one as well as the final answer. Okay, you can input it on the calculator. I assure you you'll get the same thing. Okay, hope that was clear. Once again, 1.1.2, determine the coordinates of n. So we are told that n is the midpoint of QR. So, formula, midpoint of QR. Then we write xq plus xr over 2 yq plus yr over 2. And then we know that the midpoint of QR is n. What is xq? Negative 1 plus, what is x of r? 407 over 13. So negative 1 plus 407 over 13 all over 2. And then what is y of q? Negative 6. What is y of r? 930 over 13 all over 2. This is equal to n. So negative 1 plus 407 over 13, 394 over 13 all over 2, and then negative 6 plus 930, 852 over 13 all over 2. So the final answer is going to be n. (197 over 13) and 426 over 13. Okay, now you can round them off to 2 decimal places, but it's just that I ran out of space for explanation purposes, so please forgive me. Here you're going to get marks for this substitution as well as the actual coordinates, or you can actually get marks for x value and y value. Okay, that's how it works. 1.1.3, once again forgive my numbering on this hard copy. 1.1.3, determine the equation of the line parallel to PQ passing through R. So the gradient of that line is the gradient of PQ, right? So we're going to say the gradient. What is the gradient of PQ? Negative 5 over 12, right? Then we're going to say, use the formula y is equal to negative 5 over 12x plus c. Then we substitute the point r since it passes through it. What is y of r? 980 over 13 negative 5 over 12. X is 407 over 13 plus c. So C is, here we have 930 over 13. What is negative 5 over 12 times 407 over 13? Negative 2035 over 156, so it's plus 2035 over 156. So C is 930 over 13. One thousand and 15 over 12. So therefore the equation of the line is y is equal to negative 5 over 12x plus 1015 over 12. Now let's use this and substitute r. 407 over 13, 930 over 13. We're supposed to get 930 over 13. So negative 5 over 12, 407 over 13 plus 1015 over 12, 930 over 13. So our answer is correct. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. So here you get a mark for formula, finding C, as well as the equation, most likely. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 1.1.4 states, determine the length of PQ. Forgive my bad numbering and my lack of space, I always say this. Remember, in mathematics you don't get marks for the formulas, but I'm just inserting them for completeness sake so that you understand. So PQ is equal to the square root of xq minus xp squared plus yq minus yp squared. What is x of q? Negative 1 minus x of p, negative 13 squared plus, what is y of q? Negative 6. Negative 6. And then minus y of p is negative 1 squared. So this is going to be negative 1. Negative times negative is positive, plus 13 squared plus negative 6. Negative times negative, positive, plus 1 squared. Negative 1 plus 13 is 12 squared plus negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5 squared. Twelve squared is 144 plus negative 5 times negative 5 is 25, which is 144 plus 25 is 169. So PQ square root of 169 is 13. PQ is 13 units. Okay. Now this would usually go for like 3 marks. Okay. you don't get a mark for the formula, so you'll either get a mark for substitution, simplification, and final answer. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 1.2 states show, using analytical methods, that PQ is perpendicular to QR. So we have the gradient of PQ, negative 5 over 12. Now we need to calculate the gradient of QR. So the gradient of QR is YR minus YQ over XR minus XQ. What is YR? 930 over 13. What is YQ? Negative 6 over. What is XR? I think it's 407 over 13 minus. What is XQ? Negative 1. So it's 930 over 13. Negative times negative is positive. 6 over 407 over 13. Negative times negative is positive. So it is. Okay, I'm just going to use, I should have used the calculator from the very beginning because this is complex. 12 over 5. Okay, 12 over 5. Then you say the gradient of PQ times the gradient of QR is, gradient of PQ is negative 5 over 12 times gradient of QR is 12 over 5. So we have to say answer times negative 5 over 12. Negative 1. Therefore, PQ is perpendicular to QR. Shown. Okay, here you would have gotten a mark for substitution. Answer. And then this, proving that the product of the gradient is equal to negative 1. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. So if PQ is perpendicular to QR, what must we expect? We must expect P angle QR must be 90 degrees. So therefore, if we are required to do distances or something, we can simply use Pythagoras. If we have maybe this side, we already have this side. We have PQ, it's 13. Okay, let me not get ahead of myself. 1.3 states, calculate the area and perimeter of triangle PQR. In order to get the area is half base times height, right? Times perpendicular height. So we have the base, it's 13. Now we need the perpendicular height. Okay, let's use the distance formula. QR. Okay, since I say so it's XR minus XQ. Four 7 over 13 minus negative 1 minus negative 1 squared plus 930 over 13 minus negative 6. So this is going to be so what is 407 over 13? Negative times negative is positive. 420 over 13 squared plus 930. 1008 over 13. So it is what is 420 over 13? 1008 over 13. 7056. Wow. Therefore, QR is square root of answer 84 units. Wow. Okay. Now we can calculate the area. Area of triangle PQR is half times PQ times QR, which is half. PQ is 13 units. Here it is, as you can see. QR is 84 units. (546) square units. That's simply for the area, right? Now we need to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the edge. So we have this, we have this. Now we need PR. Like I said, if we have this and this, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So PR squared is PQ squared plus QR squared. This is the Pythagoras theorem, right? PQ 13 squared plus QR 84 squared. 169 plus 7056. Oh, it was already there. 7225. So PR square root of 7225. 85 units. So the perimeter of triangle PQR is PQ plus QR plus PR. PQ is 13, QR is 84, PR is 85. (182 units). All right. Here you would have gotten marks for substitution into the formula as well as the final answer. Formula for the area, substitution, final answer, and then the perimeter would just be this as well as the final answer. Okay. I know that may have been too hard considering that I'm trying to show you the steps as well as show you the mark allocation, but please grin and bear with it. I have not yet prepared part 2 of this, okay? But nonetheless, I hope that was very helpful. If you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.